In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error code to 80. Now first what we want to do is we want to come down here and search for run. In here you want to type in temp. Now what you want to do is delete every single thing in here. You can press Ctrl A, press delete, and if this pops up, just check this one and press skip. Again, skip. And you want to just leave these files. Then you want to come down here again and type in temp. This time we're going to type in %temp. Open it up and do the exact same thing in here. Now delete everything in here, and as you may notice, there's a Roblox folder right here, and we want to delete that. So just go like this, skip, and again, skip, and just leave these files. Now you want to right click your recycle bin and empty it, just to be sure. And while it's doing this, what we can do is we can open up our apps and features. From in here, find Roblox and uninstall all of your Roblox related stuff. So simply click here and uninstall on all of these. And once you've done that, you want to come down here again, search for run, %local app data %, press OK. And in here, look if you have a Roblox folder. If you have one, delete it. If you don't, then you can just skip out of this. After that is done, you want to go to roblox.com, and from in here just select any random game. It could just be this one. And then what you want to do is you want to press play, and it's going to ask you to install the Roblox as a new one. So simply press on the install button and you will then fix the issue. Now if this still doesn't work, you can open up the Microsoft Store in here, search for Roblox, and then simply try and install it from the Microsoft Store instead of from the website. Now mine is loading a little bit, so just wait for it. Roblox, press enter. And then when you see Roblox in here, right here, you want to just select it and install. Now keep in mind it's completely free, so you can just do it here, and then it might also work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.